Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi learners, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing good. Today, let's learn English with Mrs. Jelly Sri Pahlawanti. And today we are going to learn about announcements. Okay learners, I hope after watching this video, you can know about the meaning, the purpose, the meaning, pengertian dari announcements, the purpose, tujuan dari announcement, the kinds of announcements, jenis-jenis announcement, the generic structure-nya dari announcement, examples, contoh-contoh dari announcement. Okay. Now we start from the meaning. What is the meaning of announcements? Okay, announcements is a statement or official notification in oral or written form that contains something for everyone to know. We can hear or read announcements anywhere. For example, oral announcements at school or in public places, while written announcements can be read on bulletin boards, in magazines, and in newspapers. Oke, announcement itu adalah pernyataan atau pemberitahuan resmi dalam bentuk lisan atau tulis yang berisi sesuatu untuk diketahui oleh semua orang. Pengumuman dapat kita dengar atau dibaca di mana saja, misalnya pengumuman lisan di sekolah atau di tempat-tempat umum. Sedangkan pengumuman tertulis dapat kita baca di papan pengumuman, di majalah, dan di koran. And the second one is the purpose. Tujuan dari announcement itu sendiri. The purpose of announcements is to inform. The announcements text information about an event, job vacancies, new enrollment, new admissions, and so on. Jadi tujuan announcements atau text announcements itu adalah untuk memberitahukan informasi tentang sebuah acara, lowongan pekerjaan, penerimaan murid baru, penerimaan mahasiswa baru, dan lain sebagainya. Nah, dengan memberikan informasi yang berbentuk formal kepada masyarakat umum atau kepada masyarakat tertentu, ya, or to give a formal written notice of certain events. Okay, and the next is the kinds of announcements. Nah, jenis-jenis dari announcements. Nah, yang pertama adalah, or the first one is missing persons announcements. Pengumuman orang hilang. Obituary, berita duka. News of weddings, birthdays, inaugurations, and births. Berita pernikahan, ulang tahun, peresmian, dan kelahiran. Winner announcements, pengumuman pemenang, job vacancy, lowongan pekerjaan, notification or appeal from the government, pemberitahuan atau himbauan dari pemerintah. Okay, these are some kinds of announcements itself. Dan ini beberapa jenis dari pengumuman itu sendiri. And the fourth one is generic structure. In generic structure, there are title and explanation. In title, this is the most important part because it represents the overall content of the announcements. Even so, sometimes it is not clearly stated. Ini adalah bagian yang paling penting, ya, karena mewakili isi keseluruhan dari pengumuman tersebut. Meski begitu, kadang tidak disebutkan dengan jelas. Nah, ini the title, ya, judul. And then explanation. penjelasan. Further explanation about the announcement usually consists of basic information that includes type of activity, time, place, and participants. Nah, di penjelasan ini diisi lebih lanjut tentang pengumuman tersebut. Biasanya terdiri dari informasi dasar yang mencakup jenis kegiatan, waktu, tempat, dan participants. Okay, we go on to the next is example of missing person announcements. Nah, ini adalah contoh dari pengumuman orang hilang. Nah, you can look this. Kalian bisa melihat ini missing, ya, kehilangan Kelly Nash. Namanya itu adalah Kelly Nash. Nah, you can see the title is missing, ya, judulnya itu missing, kehilangan. The name the person is Kelly Nash, dan nama orangnya adalah Nash, the years, and there is a, what is that? There is a phone number. Yeah, you can contact if you find this missing persons. Okay, this is one example of missing person announcements. Okay, the next example of news reading. Okay, you can see this example of news reading. Okay. Okay, look this example again about obituary. Yeah, obituary. Berita duka. Okay, you can see this obituary. Yeah, you can add picture of the person obituary, and then you can put the name, the time, okay, and the place, and etc.